Sweeney, this is the architect.
Sweeney.
This is gonna be the architect. He's gonna draw this up. So right now, on the exterior of the house, this is what's called a stick frame. So we're gonna rip off all the aluminum siding that's currently on the house, and we're gonna go up and add a second story. So we're gonna do a modern rehab look. So it won't look like this at all. You won't recognize the house from what it is right now. So we'll add a second story. All of these trees are gonna get trimmed out so that we can add a second story. We'll have the master suite on the top floor. This whole front fascia is gonna look modern. So that means like transom windows. We'll add in a mix of stone and wood exterior so that when you pull up, it's gonna look like a brand new house. But actually, we're taking this, what we have here, and doing a full rehab. All right, so right here, this is the next project. Right now it's, 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. This is gonna be a modern design. Right now it's just a stick frame on a crawl space. So we're actually gonna take out this wall, all the way down. So when you come into the entrance to the house from the front porch, all of this is gonna be open living space. We're gonna put our kitchen on the far back wall, and all this will be open with 10-foot ceilings with can lights. We're still gonna keep 2 bedrooms, 2 small bedrooms in the back. It'll be 1 bathroom on the first floor. This will all be gutted out and rehabbed. So this basically is a full gut. At least we're lucky, we will be able to save the wood floors that are right here. We'll refinish the floors, so that was a good thing. So that was a good quality to the house. A good sales aspect as well as hardwood floors. So this kitchen is gonna be a full gut. Basically the whole house, we're gonna take it down to the studs. We're gonna have brand new electric, brand new HVAC, brand new roof, all new drywall through the whole house, new flooring in here. We're gonna do hardwoods to match the other floors. And this whole kitchen will be set on the back wall right here with an island so that you have a large entertaining space on the first floor of the house. Then there'll be a stairway going upstairs, and we'll have the master suite on the second floor upstairs with a master bath, walk-in closets, and there'll be another bedroom upstairs as well. So that way we have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. We'll be at about 2,200 square feet, and we are on a corner lot. So there's a large backyard as well. We'll put a nice deck off the back. We'll do like some patio sliders right here off the kitchen. So we let in a lot of natural light from the backyard into the house. And we'll probably put 2 French doors going off into the porch. We'll put 2 6-foot sliders going in. So that way we let in a lot of natural light in the house. So this will be a completely gutted, completely brand new house when we finish with it. Good afternoon.